My shoulder have become so tight that reaching behind my back to put on my bra is getting difficult. What should I work on? Okay, very common problem that ladies start to face in life, like in their 50s, 60s. Once you try to, well, put the bra on, then what you need to do is we have like internal rotation of the shoulder, okay, and then you need to reach behind your back, so you need to stretch, you need the extension of the shoulder. So if, for example, what most of us sitting, using the phone or sitting on the computer, these muscles in the front become very tight, so extension become very limited movement, so it's really hard to reach behind your back. And then, again, the joint lose the internal and external rotation. So if you have a problem reaching behind your back, like to close the bra, this is what I would work on. Also, we're gonna need to work on the back, but for most people, this is not the issue because we hunched forward all the time. So these are very long and stretched. These are very short. So what I would do is this. First of all, I'm gonna work on the flexibility. You can do it seated, standing, whatever it is. The first one that I really, really love, and I'm coming back to it again and again, is just a simple shoulder floss. You can take like a band, a scarf, a dog leash, even a bendy one, like a resistance band. Just a resistance band, okay? And what we want to do is movements. Let me do it with this one. Okay, I'm gonna do it seated, but you can do it standing up, perfectly fine, because we focus on the shoulder and chest. We want to open the chest and shoulders, so you hold both hands wide, then you lift up and back, and as you can see, my chest and shoulders are getting the stretch. And your shoulders also get a little bit of mobility. So this is what I would do. 10, even 20 repetitions, slow control movements. So this is the first thing that I would do. Always helps because it's dynamic and it's stretchy. You can also do a static stretch for the front side, for the pecs and shoulders. And this is the wall stretch. You simply stand with, you take one hand, palm facing the wall, then you come, okay, you stand, you face the wall. Yes, you can see me. So you face the wall, you extend the arm, and then you twist away from the wall. Then you're gonna get a very good stretch for the pec. From the other side, as you can see, just starting with my leg, with my arm extend, and then face away from the wall, and this way I can stretch the pec. So this is the first thing that I would do. Stretching to restore the flexibility of that area of the body, the front side of the body. Then you want to reach behind your back for the bra. So we want to work on internal, external rotation. So we want to improve, again, the ability to rotate the shoulder inside, internal rotation. So this is internal, and this is external rotation. We have more internal than external, that's normal. How we improve that? To improve that, you lay down, okay? Knees stacked. Then the body and shoulder in 90 degrees. And then the elbow is also in 90 degrees. And you just need a pillow for your head. From here, you take the other hand on top and you gently lower down. In that position, because we are in the end range of motion, right now I can't take it down anymore. Okay, I start to feel pain in the outside. So if I press it, really, that's it. This is it. So this is the first thing to do. You just press it gently, okay? And you hold it in here. This is going to give you a little bit of flexibility. As you can see, it's slowly releasing a little bit. Now, to actually improve the range of motion, right now you can see I can't do more. I press and it's just stopped. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this hand to resist, and I'm gonna try to take this hand up, okay? So I'm taking this way, this hand up, and I'm gonna press this one down. So I'm pressing and resisting with the other arm up, and this way I'm strengthening. Oh, this is challenging. I'm strengthening the shoulder joint. Okay, I'm strengthening this muscle on the back. So I'm pressing the lower arm up and the upper hand down, and you just breathe and you press and you focus only on that area. Press, 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 press for about 10-20 seconds, and then I'm gonna take this hand down. Oh, you can see it's even moving down a little bit more. And then once it's down, you're holding it, you take the other hand again on top, and you do the same thing. You press down, and while you take this one up. So I'm doing this. You breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. Strong, strong, strong. For 10-20 seconds, and then you take the lower arm down. And then you're gonna see I have more internal rotation. Just take a look. And then I can't anymore, I take it down and do the same thing. Press up, up. For 10 seconds, breathe, resist. I'm really pressing with this one and creating tension, and then take it down. Look how much more I have. We started here, and now I have all of this. So this is how you improve the ability to do internal rotation. You activate the opposite muscles, okay, that actually is in charge of the movement. So you first work on the flexibility, like we did, flexibility of this movement, then you work on activating the opposite muscle. You're gonna get more internal rotation and will be able to reach behind your back easily to open your bra.